Korere, Bukose, and the member for Chuka. Minister.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The list I provided, Honorable Speaker, is for the number of those who attended and those who are interviewed and those who qualify. That is the consolidated list. What I don't have and I want to follow up with, because that's the information that I have now, I have the information of those who are interviewed and qualified. I provided information of those two that were disqualified, but what I need to provide as a follow-up is information of those who applied and the distribution. That is what I'm saying I'm going to follow up with. The information that is available here, is only for those who are interviewed and those who qualified. What I'm going to do is to follow up with information of those who actually applied. Then we'll see the whole picture. Then it is not everyone who applied that qualified. One of the things that we need to remember is that not everyone who got the information, so it's, in a sense, we need to see the whole information and see what that. Third, I actually provided information why the military training, and that justification because of the quality and the nature of the work. It requires physical fitness. Third, finally, I'm going to look at the census data and try to indicate the census data including the age cohort, because the census data is one component, but the age cohort is another component. So I'm going to follow up with this more comprehensive information that we can get information from.
DK, give the floor to DK. Hold your horses. I'll hold your horses.
Okay.
The Speaker knows what to do.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. What I want to say on the issue of the revenue officers, I think we cannot punish the minister, and we don't know all the data that came out, because Kenyans need to apply. Listen, I am entitled to my opinion.
Order, honorable members.
I am entitled to my opinion. So what I'm saying, can you find out
DK,
how many people applied
DK,
in your area before castigating the speaker? Thank you.
Order, honorable DK. Sit down, take your seat. Honorable DK, this is question time, and the minister has not requested any support in his ability to answer questions, so I gave you an opportunity, believing you had a question to ask. The member that is Were, ask a question.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The minister is not very clear in answers as far as KRA issues are concerned. The advertisement was very clear. They were recruiting clerks, even during interviews, but the military came later. But the question is, are you aware that quite a number of Kenyans were knocked out in Eldoret and they were subjected to pregnancy test and also HIV test? Are you telling me those who are working in KRA, if you are pregnant and you are HIV positive, you are not supposed to work in KRA? How many did you turn back after successful interview in Nairobi?
Makali Mulu.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this matter of recruitment in this country is not a new matter. And I think, Honorable Speaker, this is not specific to CS Treasury. This